The volleyball net, I just thought, oh,
All right. We are here in East Blue Lake.
Ano ARPEE, yung bahay ako malaki. Sa likod, sa gilid. Left. Yan. Yun yung
Ayan, no?
your rest house.
Rest house.
This rest house.
Rest house of Arnel.
Oh.
We wanted to ask about rental.
Are you enforcing the mask rule?
Yes, we are. We have to.
Okay, do you have pontoon boats for rent? No.
Oh,
How about the little boat? Do you have a little
there babies?
motorboat?
Si baby?
yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
How much is that for?
How many are there?
Okay, I'll talk to the guys and we'll.
Oh, here's Mama.
Oh, the mama's here.
Mama's house.
Mama and Papa.
There's mama.
Yeah, Mama and Papa.
Yeah, there
Then they
you
come
go.
back.
Maybe I have a big one.
Martin swallows.
Come here.
Oh, they won't come.
I have a boat.
Come here.
They might just tap your head.
Then do you have my boat operator's license with you?
Oh, there's maybe a lot. It looks like a nest.
Oh, I thought it might be.
How many?
You don't have a picture of it, eh?
Baby.
Yeah.
Baby bird.
Yeah. I'll have to check my
I
phone.
don't know.
What kind of boats are the boat are
It's a 14, it's one of those red boats that are there by the dock.
Oh.
Even think of renting there because it's full. Hello.
Hi.
What? You camping here?
No, we're
Oh.
just paying for the park cross.
Oh,
Guess we
okay.
don't need one today.
No, you don't need one today.
Yeah, I figured that out.
Yeah. Yeah, let's take a walk through the campground for you.
Kilala ko yun?
You've been to this
Tried to
lake
get a
before?
campsite.
Yeah, before. Glenn's
We were gonna
2
spend
years
the night
before.
here,
Did
either
2 years
tonight or
before?
tonight.
Okay. Oh, this is your
Uh,
second time here.
Third.
This is your third
There were
time
two
here.
spots
Yeah.
left.
Okay.
When we came here, when I came here last
2 hours
June,
later, there was nothing.
May 30,
Yeah.
and then June 11, Glenn's birthday.
Okay.
We celebrate here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, 2018.
Yeah, I just wrote my notes and I just
Did Glenn celebrate his birthday this year?
Hmm?
No.
What?
Did they have a party for Glenn this year?
They have, yeah.
Yeah, we did. We had
Yeah.
at the farm.
But we are
Okay.
here
Other
in Roblin that
Yeah,
that
you were
time.
in Melbourne, yeah.
Okay. Tate, is there any party coming up at the farm soon?
Any parties coming up?
Soon? Is there anyone?
Well, just the anniversary tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
And
Oh, it's
Graham
a
birthday.
Graham birthday.
birthday Monday.
Who's
Monday is
Graham?
Graham's birthday.
Great, Tatay's son.
Oh, nice.
It's your co-workers, right?
Yeah.
Well, he works at MVP.
MVP, but yeah,
Southbound.
Sauban, yeah.
Then it's not. Where do you
So that's where it was.
nursery? Where do you work?
Finisher.
Finish it.
Driver.
This nursery. Oh yeah.
I thought in the same.
Is it here too?
He
Tate's son?
yeah, Tatay.
Is in,
Yeah,
is
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
lake
yeah,
too?
yeah.
The white one. And
No, no, no.
You
Jackie,
will show me when we
the
get
guy
back
that
there.
the car was
You will
alarmed.
show me when I get back there.
That guy.
the one that's tall.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
how about the two?
Ah.
That's the
Do you
one.
remember
and
that the
white.
guy have the car alarm?
I'll pay my attention.
Ito na.
8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Yeah.
Are these campgrounds, money?
Campground?
Are these campgrounds?
Yeah.
Okay. camp here.
Yeah, you can come here 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights.
Do you pay for this or just
Yeah, no, you have to pay. Like, what was it? $37? I think that was it. Yeah, it's
$37 one day.
How much?
$37 one day.
It's $7 one day.
37.
So you bring your camp.
Yeah, you bring camper or tent or your car. You can sleep in your car. Yeah, camping in your car.
You sleep in the car.
Buy a camper.
In Nigeria, there's a lot of like this.
Yes, well, they are first, but they didn't develop it this level.
Oh,
But this kind of thing are there.
okay.
See, and there's bathrooms, ladies and men's washroom. There's water.
It's like a
This is the
community.
spot we rented that time when we were dating. We were right by the pool.
Yeah. That's the honeymoon. That's the honeymoon.
No,
Remember
I
the
thought
day
you said
that we
honeymoon.
that was my friend and I.
Now, I get picked on?
Blushing!
He's flashing.
He's blushing already. Romantic guy, sweet guy.
He was.
Nobody sweat all
Nobody ever accused me of that.
You're the first time.
That's cool. And you like that too?
No,
Nane.
this is nice in the trees and, you know, camping.
Yeah, I'm telling her sweet words.
What's that?
Tell her sweet romantic words.
Oh,
And
yeah.
she keeps blushing.
Well adulting. Well adulting. Ano ba?
Stuff
Well, when we camped here, they didn't have no electricity, they didn't have no water at the sites, nothing. There was a well with a hand pump. And good for
Very few campers. Now it feels like it's like already.
because here they have
Magalaw yung tent.
they have electricity at the site.
Your tent, Nana, is same like this?
So you put a camper,
Yeah,
you
like
put
this.
the electricity.
We have
Oh.
one that's like this.
Oh, okay.
It's two bedrooms. We have one great big one.
We have one big one?
Yes, we do. And one smaller one like that.
Yeah, better the small one.
The square one.
Yeah.
No, they don't need
Yeah,
it.
they don't need much
Yeah.
room.
We become
The thing that I
one.
don't like about
Newlyweds.
most tents is I'm too tall to stand up in it.
Yeah.
For you guys, it'd be no problem.
We don't need. Just one.
So low when you do all that.
No, but I have to like get my pants off like this, you know.
After the camping, Tatay, after the camping, you wake up like this. Oh, your back is hurt.
Yeah, about 6 feet too.
What's that?
6 feet.
Yeah, I used to be 6'1" when I was young.
Then page 51.
Old age,
Oh, they took the one.
that's the one.
6.
This is where Auntie Mary used to be right here.
Baka naliligo na lang sila sa lake.
Hindi,
But
ito
we'd
sa
be
mga.
better off. No, we'd be better off to go down to the road and walk down to the lake.
Oh.
Well, then let's just plug it into the bush here.
Still
There's
rolling
another lake here.
Green lake na daw yan. Another lake.
Another lake.
You can actually see it just down here.
But there's no path through here.
Yeah, you can just see the water just a wee bit there.
Yeah, the road becomes safe. No, there's poison ivy in here maybe. Don't go.
That's true. Yeah, oh, that's the landing there. We'll go down that other trail.
Hey, nobody else has
Kung nasaan sila, si Kuya, yung cellphone natin.
Yeah.
Kung nasaan si Kuya Jess,
Oh.
dun sila.
Oo. Tsaka kay Jomar. Do you think, Tatay, every campsite there's a washroom?
No.
No.
No?
Oh,
Okay.
you mean
The
one like that?
Like
Yeah.
that, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, every yeah.
For the private, for the public?
Here, David.
Just use it for a couple of times and then you can have a phone, you can get a phone like this phone. Plan for you.
Chief security officer.
It's better that you are small.
Sorry?
Pupunta tayo sa isa pang lake dito.
I just pay 108 every month. 108? Yeah, including the data. Yeah. It's not bad. Yeah. No, it's not unlimited, but it's like it's just 3 gig.
3 gig.
Yeah, because we have a Wi-Fi in the house. Yeah, so
There was water here the last couple of years up to where the road changed. We get the little narrow. There was water all the way up to there. And now it's gone back to what it normally is. Like normally this is what it was, the water. It was way back there. But it's still all this because the water was so high.
Changes every day.
Well, no, it's because of beavers. Because what beavers do is they cut trees and they make a dam and they stop the water from flowing, and then they have to find a different way, and it found their way into blue lakes, into both these lakes, and made them very high.
so the beaver did this one, Tatay?
The beaver, no, the water being high water, but the beavers caused the water to be high.
Oh.
Mm.
Used to be a nice little trail with trees on both sides.
Yeah. It was just enough width for one vehicle to go. But they fixed it up because the water was too rock. The water, so much water.
It's a long way and then it's really like this. It's really like
Alay lakad tayo mga katoto.
there's also really downhill. Yeah, it's hard.
Dito tayo sa Blue Lake Duck Mountain. Ha? Saan?
Yun, may mga chicken.
Chicken feet.
Init.
Shout out naman dyan.
Hi po sa 1 million viewers namin dyan.
And 1 million
Please don't forget
subscriber.
to subscribe.
Like and share.
Like and
On
share.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, you,
I
what's the
have
name on YouTube?
I have a YouTube account.
Yeah, what's the name on YouTube?
ARPEE TV. You can search that.
Okay.
Then you-
ARPEE.
Yeah.
TV.
TV.
Small V. You can see his face.
Yeah.
Okay.
My beautiful face.
Beautiful.
Handsome.
Yeah, you check and subscribe.
And subscribe, and then you can tell to your friend also.
Okay. We'll get you to 1 million views.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
See, this lake is
Looks
called
like green.
West Blue Lake,
Okay.
and this lake
Goes
goes
around.
around there.
Goes that way.
That you can walk down a trail and you go over here, and the lake is on the other side of this
Wow, really?
little arm.
Like a semicircle.
Going there, Tatay. And
Semicircle, but then it goes that way also.
where?
There's a
Oh.
trail there that it takes you out that way and then comes around. I
Okay.
don't know how long it is, about a mile.
Nice.
Yeah, there's trickle on this lake.
Ah, ang linaw.
It's a clear one.
Yeah.
Ang linaw, oh.
I think this is called like a little bit called.
Linaw.
More time walking over.
I don't know how to swim.
We can teach
You
you.
can't use boats with
It's either
motors.
swim or die.
You're diver.
Yeah.
Like
Minnow.
Oh no, tatay. That's a
shrimp.
shrimp.
crayfish.
Yeah.
Shrimp. Right like that. That. Did you see?
Yeah, crayfish, yeah. And here too.
Lobster.
Yeah, miniature lobster.
Ouch, he bite you.
Knows you're coming already. Sharp guy.
Oh, there's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
Here.
It's a rocky side, so they stay
Why you not bring your
Yeah, you see that
so
all
that
through.
we can
Yeah.
under the rocks.
There's a lot.
That is up to something.
Yeah, I can take your picture.
Take
Oh, sorry, Tata.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
picture.
Looks like this thing is moving.
1, 2, 3.
Looks like it's moving.
Picture ka doon. Doon tayo magka-picture. Maganda yung view dyan.
Just come close. Don't stay there.
You can't swim. You all can't swim. But it's a nice place to have a nice bath.
Okay.
One more.
To have a nice bath.
Okay.
Okay, Sam, you.
Me too. Me too, buddy.
There's a group dancing over here.
Yeah,
We'll walk back
that's
up.
where I was heading.
Like that.
Be careful.
That you will get 'em.
Thank you,
You're
buddy.
scared already.
Can you swim?
No, we don't know how to swim.
The water's only 2 feet deep.
How to jump from your mouth, man. Husband and wife can't
It's
swim.
a little bit cold.
Yeah, it's nice.
Husband and wife can't swim.
It's
So who's gonna save each other if they get drunk?
It's spring fed, so
Yeah.
it would be coming from the ground.
Oh.
It's either learn or die.
It doesn't really get hot.
Yeah.
Like, have you been to Rainbow Beach? Lake
Oh, nice
Dolphins?
picture.
No, I just heard it, but I never
Okay, it's
been.
warmer water.
Yeah.
Really warm water.
It's,
And you
yeah,
can
it's
walk
swamp
out.
though.
It's more like swamps, yeah.
It's, yeah. No,
This is nice fresh
this is
water.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Better.
This
Huh?
is-
Okay.
You know, look, you just took the boat out of here. And it's all good. I mean, it's cool, but
So this is also deep, Tatay, going there?
this is a deep lake. I don't know how deep it is. But there's pickerel in here. You can go pickerel fishing. But you can't use gas motors. You just have to only use electric motors.
What's the reason you're not using that?
Is that what you do?
Nice stuff.
Photographer, ah.
Okay, give me this one. Okay. There you go.
Nice, see? Thank you.
Don't forget your GoPro.
Oh, yeah, tatay.